Hey guys, I'm back. In this episode, I'm going to plant the melon seeds. No. So what I need is that. Aha, there you go. The melon seeds. What I can do then, if I make that one there, I haven't decided it, I don't know. Don't you know? Put that down there. Oh, can I put this in there? If there's more bright, I got rid of this one. I don't want to get rid of this one. I don't want to get rid of this one. I don't want to get rid of this one. No. That's it. That's down. Can I get rid of that? No. Aha, there. What that? Oh, I need to make a hoover. Now, I need a hoover. I made a hole. I think I need to get like first a minute. I can do that. And then plant. Yeah, there you go. I'm excited now. If anyone comes in, it's just my nan or my brother, or someone like that. Them queer people, you know, them people getting names. Who probably like hell of a lot because they don't know what the hell. Oh, he's getting knife in the future kid. Oh my god, I swear I knew I had died. I nearly just died. If I died then I would try. Oh. Yes. Also, I said time. That's why. It's morning again. Something here. What? Look around. And I put in my so now we will be and keep the shape and then put that around there to make it hatchet. Sorry for the Wi-Fi rate for me. In my next episode, I'm going to do that. How's that one? What's that place? I can plant some of these. One there. One there. I'm sure I've got a feeling of sand. What's there? I've got an amazing idea. The best diner in the world. Right, what I need to do is this. I'm going to press. This one off. Gosh, this is stupid. I put that there. That's gold. Peter. Put that there. And then get enough. Don't forget. It's gone. Where's it gone? Shut up. No, don't do it. I'm getting this. This is going to be a very good idea. Wait until I've done it, and you'll say what a brilliant idea this is. It is. Like, actually, I cannot believe I've actually thought this. Like, in box time. I'm just like, right, what do I need to do now? I'm not really extending it, am I? Not want to do it. Better not be open. Yes, all that. Number 7. Number 2. Why? Right, wait. End of part 2, guys.